Welcome back to Explain the Charts, where we break down the news and chart data for your favorite stocks. Today is November 5th, 2024, and we're diving into the world of Microsoft stock, Microsoft. Let's start by taking a look at the current events and news surrounding Microsoft. Recent headlines suggest a mixed outlook for Microsoft. The stock saw a significant decline of 5.5% in October, likely influenced by a combination of factors. One contributing factor could be the recent slowdown in Azure cloud computing revenue growth. However, analysts remain optimistic about Microsoft's AI investments, particularly its partnership with OpenAI. This bullish sentiment is further supported by Microsoft's strong financial performance in fiscal 2023, including a 37% return on equity. With the recent election, there's speculation about potential market shifts and their impact on Microsoft. It's important to keep in mind that election cycles can cause market volatility, so it's crucial to analyze the chart data in conjunction with the news. Let's move on to the daily chart and see what technical indicators can tell us about MSFT's trajectory. Zooming out to the full daily chart, we can see a clear upward trend in MSFT's price action since the beginning of the year. This trend is punctuated by several significant rallies, suggesting a potential long-term bullish sentiment. However, we also notice a recent pullback, with the price dipping below the 200-day moving average. This dip, coupled with the recent negative news, could indicate a potential bearish short-term outlook. Looking at the last few candles, we can see that the price has attempted to bounce back above the 200-day moving average. This could signal a potential short-term bullish reversal, but we need to be cautious. The price is currently trading near the $408 level, which was a significant resistance level in the past. If the price can break above this resistance level, it could signal a continuation of the long-term bullish trend. However, if the price fails to break above this level, it could signal a further decline, potentially towards the $380 support level. Let's zoom in and take a look at the 1-hour chart to get a better understanding of the recent price action. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that the price action has been relatively volatile over the last few days. There have been several attempts to break above the $410 resistance level, but the price has been unable to sustain these gains. This suggests that the bulls are still struggling to gain control and that the bears may be in the driver's seat. However, we also see signs of potential bullish momentum. The recent price action has formed a bullish flag pattern, which suggests that the price may be preparing for a breakout. If the price can break above the $412 resistance level, it could signal a significant rally towards the $420 level. However, if the price fails to break above this level, it could signal a continuation of the bearish trend. Finally, let's switch over to the 15-minute chart and take a closer look at the very recent price action. The 15-minute chart shows a similar pattern to the 1-hour chart, with the price bouncing back and forth around the $410 level. The recent price action has been characterized by a series of small rallies and pullbacks, suggesting that the market is indecisive. This indecision is likely due to the ongoing election week volatility, with investors waiting to see how the election results will impact the market. It's important to watch the volume and volatility on this time frame to get a sense of the short-term market sentiment. To summarize, Microsoft is currently facing a challenging period, with the price attempting to rebound from a recent slump. While the long-term bullish trend remains intact, the short-term outlook is uncertain, with the potential for either a bullish reversal or a further decline. Key price levels to watch include the $412 resistance level, which could act as a significant barrier to further upside. On the downside, the $408 support level could provide a floor for the price, but if it breaks below this level, we could see a more substantial decline towards the $380 level. It's important to watch the volume and volatility on all timeframes to get a sense of the short-term market sentiment. Additionally, keep an eye on any news developments that could impact the stock's trajectory, especially related to Microsoft's AI investments and Azure cloud computing. Remember, trading involves risks, and it's important to conduct your own research and develop a sound trading strategy before making any decisions.